We successfully supply our products to the CIS countries. I work at the company as a chief engineer for 10 years. A year ago, the company management decided to expand the sales market and supply its products to Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia. In order to enter the Baltic market and update the product line, our company planned to start producing oval-shaped tablets. They were used to treat inflammatory diseases, and were previously produced in the form of round tablets. According to the technology of production, the tablets should have been further packed in a blister, which preserves the tablets from the powder from the environment. We bought a blister with oval cells. We changed the shape of the drug to make it easier to swallow, because the tablets have a bitter taste. In order to increase the production of oval-shaped tablets, we needed to buy new, modern equipment with a capacity of at least 200,000 tablets per hour. The choice of automatic equipment for the production of oval-shaped tablets was entrusted to me. I wanted to complete the task in the shortest possible time, to be able to work on another problem that suddenly arose in the tablet powder production area. A breakdown of this equipment meant a work stoppage in the entire site, which I could not have allowed to happen. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen tablet press, and would send me to search again. I then looked for equipment from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 4 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced for 5 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 5 months did not satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our people speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on an interpreter, so it was decided not to buy a car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I would not be able to solve the problem of purchasing automatic equipment for the production of oval tablets on my own, so I decided to contact an intermediary specialist. I had an idea of what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. On the internet, I chose several intermediaries, 1 from China, and 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites. The length of their work in the market for supplying pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of their prices were of great importance. At first, I called the Chinese intermediary. His presented price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery, and installation of equipment. The total amount for the machine was much more than presented on the site. I was not satisfied. Then I studied the Russian company's website more closely. I looked at the prices and the terms of delivery, but I was alerted to the fact that this company also supplies shoes and crockery from China. I wanted to find a specialist in whom I could have confidence, who would supply me with equipment for the production of oval-shaped tablets within the specified time. I decided to look at the last option among Russian intermediaries. In advance, I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity. This company did not appear in these lists. I liked the company's website, modern, structured, lots of videos. I called the manager and got a good consultation on tablet presses. He told me that for the production of tablets, industrial tablet presses are used, which produce tablets of various shapes by pressing in tablet press forms. In addition to the laboratory presses, there are a large number of tablet presses, rotary tablet presses, hydraulic and pneumatic models of tablet presses. The specialist suggested a rotary tablet press for me with the ability to produce tablets of various shapes, including oval. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery conditions and price, and a week later, we concluded a contract for the delivery of a rotary tablet press. Before sending the equipment, the manager emailed me a video of the machine. The working area of the equipment is covered with transparent plastic shields. The equipment has 4 levers for adjusting press force, and 42 pairs of press tools. 2 funnel-shaped hoppers are provided for the initial tablet mass. The machine arrived in 2 months. We quickly set up and started production of oval-shaped tablets for treating inflammatory diseases. The machine was capable of producing 250,000 tablets per hour. After studying the machine's data sheet in detail, I learned that this was not the machine's limit. We could use it if we wanted to increase the production of oval-shaped tablets. We were satisfied with the oval tablet press recommended and supplied by the manager in Moscow. I would like to mention that I told the manager about my problem and desired delivery date. He recommended me a good adjuster and repairman who we are already working with and are happy with the results. Qualified advice is essential in choosing any purchase. The project is sure to be successful if that advice was received from a professional.